Good morning. It's Sunday, November 12th, 2023. And namolay, ye made your mama anoma bagale na ye mwala ye valley ye hall meeting, more funny and menzreni, more blessed a kelamula. Me fat ye my azumala be a lassie. And I'm also sending this message to JOSEPH. Watching the Manzule get destroyed. It's a big blot on the legitimacy of your positions. Sabesi ngbanima. And ya jonia like ngbanima shimo babani na de biela sake wa mani nyenu abani na bele ngurebi. Yanzema, especially Ellembelle DCE, especially Ellembelle MP, especially Ellembelle Ewulai. Madame men in Saika. Nzema memwala babagali ewura benu ke se de biela sakia babani bele ngurebi. Unfortunately, the Manzule that is rightly within your jurisdiction, Bani Abala Mayazaki. Anga imagine like Ewulai would have had a good handle on his chiefs, especially by Damoba war Anya, Azurunu, Tandane, Mvuma, Bamwakuli. Onya zuazu amokala yasasetre telekubukazo mo belni abama bazake zrezre mo kamo zrezre shimo be ye de be ho ba manzre ni no bela sakela. As I stand here, since the 4th of November when we got the videos and pictures, the drone videos and pictures of the destruction of Manzule, some of us have not been able to sleep. So how some of you see this every single day and it doesn't click you, it doesn't make you uncomfortable, I can't tell. Nanohale, while we try to do our best, the onus is on you, the leadership of Ellembelle. Starting from Ewulai, Aduabo, to rein in your chiefs. And if you can't do that, then I'm sorry, you are not fit for your role. The DCE of Ellembelle, Bonzo, Kwesi, you have the leadership of the district, the political leadership of the district. You lead it. You have the dissect within your ambit. And if you can't use the dissect to stop the destruction, then you are equally responsible for it. I dare say you are even the one spearheading that destruction. And then MP of Ellembelle, Honorable Amakofi Boa, you are the people's representative. And you've seen the Manzule destroyed. Your own brother has a big business venture. He has monetized the Manzule. And yet when it came to the destruction of it, he packed his bags and left. That is not leadership. That is not leadership. So I'm calling on the three of you to do something. We cannot watch the Manzule destroyed. We cannot watch the Manzule go the way of the rest of the rivers in Ghana. If the whole country has gone crazy in Ellembelle, there has to be some action. There has to be things to show that people that are in charge of the district are not dead but alive. So this is my appeal this morning. Please, let's see action. Let's see something happen regarding the destruction of the Manzule this week of November 13th. Let's see action on your part. Because, pretending it's not happening will not cut it. Thank you. Yede webi ala sesumani ala. Da panic abeme yengungachire. Beme yengungachire. MP Boa, DCE Bonzo, Ewulai, Aduabo, Ewulai Mshekman, Bemayangachile. Otherwise, you've let your people down. Madame Sumaniala. Madame, I'm letting the Befemelua. Your day will be a la man, no magal meeting be a lassie. Bemaya very be a la more matala. No yet, dear can would they be. Naman's renewal mania, ye didn't work putting your money. Thank you.